Hey guys, today we are going to explore the principles behind why your manifestations may not be coming in as fast as you desire. We'll uncover the missing piece that will help you bridge the gap between the law of attraction and manifesting your desires into physical reality. So let's get started. All right, so you have immersed yourself in learning and gaining knowledge about the law of attraction, and you've dedicated yourself to spiritual practices that raise your vibration and attract your desires. You think that you understand the principles behind the law of attraction, but you cannot explain why these things are still not coming to you. You believe that we create our reality, you understand the laws, and you believe that what we think about, we attract into our experience. You have been practicing these principles, that is, when you remember to do it. Maybe you are even repeating affirmations such as, "My perfect relationship is available to me and I deserve to have it. My income level is constantly increasing." Okay then, why is that perfect relationship or more income not what you're experiencing? Ding, 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 very important. Here's the catch. Just doing that spiritual stuff alone will not bring your manifestation to life. Sorry to tell you. There are two key components to successful manifestation. Number one, the feminine principle of nurturing your mindset to be in the proper state so that you can receive the ideas. And number two, the masculine principle of believing in those ideas to take inspired action steps. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in manifesting your desires. It is absolutely essential to align your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions to that which you want to attract. So a little spoiler alert here. This may take some inner work and healing. For instance, if you don't believe that you are good enough to have that $1 million, then you're never going to take those action steps to achieve that goal. Here is where we have the universal law, as within, so without. This is the first step of manifestation. All right, so are you getting it a little bit? You have to be that within yourself first, before you will even be willing to move towards it in the physical world. Make sense? You may be trying to blame your parents for instilling some limiting belief, such as money is bad, or even that there's something spiritual about you suffering. It really doesn't matter where some of your beliefs come from, or how many limiting beliefs you do have. Doesn't matter. There is a way around this. Try focusing on the beliefs that do serve you better, such as, the universe is full of abundance. We know that to be true. Also, the universe wants to bring me my desires. If you don't believe that you deserve to be happy and successful, how are you going to take action and create that in your life? So we have to create a feminine approach to our mindset, to stay disciplined in our boundaries, and to not allow in any negative energy from outside of ourselves. Do whatever you have to do to keep a positive mindset and belief about yourself, your abilities, and the unlimited potential of the universe. So a few key tips are: stay away from people that bring you down. Keep your environment organized. Keep your finances in order. And believe that you are good enough to achieve your goals and dreams, because you are. Okay, so now you are believing that it is possible to have all that you desire. So you feel like you've done your part, your inner work, and now you're just waiting for the universe to come and fulfill those desires, right? There is another little piece here that could be the missing link. That missing link is for you to take action. But wait a minute, you say. I thought that I just have to ask and the universe will supply it to me. And presto, it appears. Not so fast. Let's see how taking action can assist in this process. Manifestation is not solely about sitting back and waiting for miracles to happen. It requires active participation from your end. Remember, actions bring your intentions to life. This is where the universe comes in to co-create your desires. When you are taking action towards that, you will get in more inspired action from the universe and more momentum going. Here are just a few things that you can ask the universe to get moving in your action steps. Number 1, what inspired action can I take right now to manifest my dream? Then you wait and listen for a response. Whatever comes to you, believe in it and take immediate action. When you begin to take that action, and I'm talking about imperfect action in the direction of your desires, you are telling the universe that you are serious about it. It also facilitates the process because you have focused your attention on your action, not focusing on the waiting. This action does not need to be huge, earth-shattering stuff. It can be small. It can come from a feeling of intuition. It can come from inspiration. Maybe it comes to you through what someone else says to you. Or even better, it comes through your amazing spiritual gifts. One very important thing to remember when you do take action, feel good about it. Don't second guess yourself. Just move forward. And whatever it is or isn't, the universe can make corrections as you go. Now you know how to assist the universe in fulfilling your desires. So we got to talk about the downer side here. Let's talk about doubt. Doubt often creeps in when manifestations take longer than usual. This is normal and it's going to happen. Nothing has gone wrong. Just know that it is your mind and you can say, I don't believe in that doubt. I'm just going to keep moving forward. And remind yourself, Rome wasn't built in a day. Or was it? Trust is a powerful force that will amplify your manifestation. When you're at these crossroads, you have a choice, right? You can choose doubt, which will halt you taking action. It will stall your progress and you will see yourself not taking the action. Pay attention. When you're not taking the actions, you're in doubt. Or you can choose trust and just keep taking the imperfect actions forward. Just remember to keep taking the actions even if you feel fearful or doubt or you notice yourself procrastinating. Just start taking those small action steps and ask Spirit to help you. That's what I do. To get rid of those fears and worries, express them. Speak it, write it, journal, do a video, however you need to do, and then it just kind of goes away. As you are on your manifestation journey, you will encounter insecurities, fear, and limiting beliefs that sometimes can be difficult to overcome. So I created a tool to help you overcome these difficult energy blocks. This is a free download for you and it is called Chakra Energy Healing for Manifestation Blocks. You can click on the link in the description box below and go to my Stan store, scroll to the bottom and you will be able to enter your email and get it there. So before I wrap it up, I would love to turn it over to my daughter who has an invitation for you. Take it away, Zoe.
Okay, hello, my name is Zoe. Don't forget to subscribe on this button and don't forget to click on this button. Hope you don't forget.
By combining the power of mindset and action, you can supercharge your manifestation power. Remember, waiting for it to magically appear, it ain't gonna happen. Build confidence and trust in yourself and the universe by nurturing your mindset and taking inspired action toward your goals. If you found this video insightful and want to 10x your manifestation journey with us, let's support each other as we manifest in this crazy journey together. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. You have the power to manifest miracles. Believe in yourself, take small action steps, and watch the magic of the universe unfold. See you in the next video. Bye.